What's up? What's up? Hope all is well. Look at this. Look at this. It's been now 2 days. 2 days passed from the Primal RC&BAJA drag race event at Floyd Bennett Field. And I have done nothing. I just been busy at work. All right? Everything is still the same way as when I got home from Floyd Bennett Field, Brooklyn, that night. All right? I got home a little late. There was some traffic on the Belt Parkway. And whatever. We made it home. All right? So, here's just a quick look. I've done nothing. And that's it. I'm sorry I have not put any videos out. I've been getting emails, text messages like crazy since Monday. All right? I have no time. I had no time. I'm sorry. But we're posting it tonight, part 1. I'm sorry. This is not going to be part 1. This is going to be part 3. All right? I'm going to start this video where we left off. Okay? Remember that when it rained, when it got canceled? That was truly part 2. So now, this is going to be considered part 3. All right? It was a beautiful day. I wish every one of my subscribers could have been there. All right? It was a great event. It was a great turnout. There's so much that I'd like to say and want to say, but we don't have time. I got to get with this, all right? The video is going to be long enough already. But I hope you guys enjoy. All right, I don't have professional videos, but it's like you coming with me. It's like my videos is like if you're with me, if you're coming with me, if you're going to hang out with us. That's how it is. All right, I'm going to show you what's going on. I'm going to show you how we all hang out, how we're all like family during this whole ordeal. Was a lot of work for them, for everybody, for Primal RC, Dan, his wife Irene, for Larry, for Nick, for Marvell, for Lou, for Alan. So many people, man. So many people. All right, it took a lot of work to get this beautiful event to happen on Sunday. It was awesome. You know, you guys deserve a huge trophy. All right. Speaking of trophy, let me show you something, kid. Before we go downstairs, I just we still have to unbox that together. I do not know when. That's the last thing I need now is another new RC, but I just had to get it. And there are many of you that have one of those. There are some of you guys that had issues with those. And there are a lot of you guys that are kicking ass with that. So I can't wait to mess around with them. I always like messing around with new RCs. Yeah. All right, so that one's going to be a little different. Not different, pretty much the same, but a little different because of it's a different engine in it. Okay, so let me bring you downstairs. Oh, and by the way, this Bartolone 34 reed case did amazing. All right, and the combination with this beautiful drag pipe was badass. Sounded sick, did great. And let me tell you something, it's still not at its full potential. There's still a lot of tweaking to do. You're going to see me over there messing with my car a bit because I didn't have time to test and tune this. So, with this setup. All right, so I was over there. I had a little bit of time to myself over there. They said it was okay. I only had a little bit of time. I did a little tweak here or there. After that, I didn't do nothing. All right, so leak-free. I'm so happy I don't have to mess with this header and pipe. All right, it was just a true bolt-on, man. Very nice. Chris Bartolone always does a great job. So, all right, I will be ceramic coating that pipe and header though. Let's go downstairs. Let me show you something. Grab yourself some nice Portuguese wine. Let me show you something here. Let me show you some gel that I got here. Look at this, huh? What you know about this, people? Let me show you something. I gotta be careful with this. I cannot shake this bottle. Look at that. Reserva, 1995, kid. Huh? Caves São João. I got it. You can't just drink this, bro. All right? This is for special stuff. You better be having a fat ass steak in front of you when you're drinking this wine. What's up? Oreo, we got third place, kid. Third place, kid. Huh? E-word. Oreo. That's brap, kid. Haha. Check that sucker out, huh? Look at that. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Any questions? Look at this. No, seriously, let's look at this. Huh? Look at the quality in this. Just like the Primal RC Dragsters. Quality. I'm talking nice. Look at this. And this is third place, people. You guys got to see second place up close. First place, forget it. If I would have won first place, man, that thing would have been popping out of my sunroof of my truck. I would have been driving home with that thing coming out of my roof. And another person I want to say a special thanks to and a big congratulations is HBI Kevin is the first person ever to do a 3.9 people with a Primal RC Dragster. All right, first guy, history. And now I'm talking 330 feet racing, not no 150, not no 125, not no 200 feet, 330 feet is what they run over there. Enjoy the video. We got lots coming. You in the mob, soon as you rock the chain. She got the waves, storming through my brain. Just got here, and we're already working on 2 speeds. One-way bearing problem. I forgot to bring some oil.
From the RC&BAJA.
Oh man.
Engineer right here.
He made
Engineer.
a dirty girl.
Oh man, a dirty girl.
Mellow to the rescue.
Yo, I like the horn that you got.
So we meet again, and we got some sun today. Third time's the charm. That's right. Dino in the house. Huh?
What's going on? What's going on?
We got Big Mike in the house.
Big John. What's up, man? How are
What's
you?
up, Mike? What's up?
It's a good winter project. And it's a hell of a day.
John Chu, Philly in the house.
Yes, sir.
Big Dan.
John, how are you?
Always good to see you, brother.
You too. Thanks,
Good to see you, man.
Hey, what's happening?
What's up?
Not much.
The king of the RC&MK engine right here. All right, now we got Philly in the house here, man. Hardcore right here.
What's going on?
RC Philly Dragster. Check him out, bro. Check him out.
What's going on, John?
John Chu.
You got the white ghost. What do you have for it in the middle?
You guys serious, bro.
I don't need these weights.
You guys travel. You guys show up.
4 times.
Bro, you were on time here before me, bro. You guys are
4
serious,
times.
man.
I was up till 2 in the morning getting ready too.
Wow. No, I get you guys are no joke.
Did the differential and all. Like,
Look who we got here. Look who we got here.
Yo, what up?
Hey. Huh?
This guy in all these videos.
I started chopping parts off as it is. I took the wing, I had a whole front wing. I got about a pound and a half with the wheels, 30.5. So I got it to about 29 and a half. People were saying, take everything off, then I'm gonna have these parts laying around and rather build a brand new beat next year.
Sunday is.
Do what we do.
Sunday is.
Fun day. Don't forget it.
Any questions?
Johnny, no cafe today.
No, bro. Remind me next time. I wish I had my machine here.
Donuts delivers, Johnny.
Nah, you don't want no Dunkin' Donuts. But we drink Delta, bro. Delta coffee. Zach coffee.
Yeah, right there, Johnny.
Mike,
What's up?
Mikey, you got a beautiful layout here, dude. This
See the gentleman stuff?
This is
Yeah.
like a gentleman right here. Look at that. Shit. Organized. Mike, you gotta come over and give me a hand, bro.
Got your goodies bags, look.
Damn, look at the goodies kit. Zah.
It's all used goodies, but they're still.
Oh, this is serious goodies, bro.
If you need anything, it's in there.
Mike, I like
Your
your
favorite
style,
stuff,
bro.
too.
Oh,
Madam,
look
I'm
at
running
that.
low, I'm
You-
running
You know
low.
this shit's good, right? Very nice, man.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Got it ready this week.
Nice. Very nice.
I just rung her up. That's all I did.
All right. Good stuff, man.
What's going on, man?
What up, Blake Larry? So,
How you doing?
third charm is a charm, bro.
Let's hope we can get this thing started,
Nice and
man.
sunny.
Let's hope we can get this started. Why the clock's not set up?
I know.
Let me get this thing set up.
Look who's with us today. Dream, kid. How you been, man?
I'm good, man.
Good, good.
No car.
No car. You gotta bring the car. Over here chilling with the crew over here. Look at this. Look at this. Thompson, full throttle on the house. Mellow. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
I brought some parts for you, too.
RC&BAJA. I love that engine.
That's running great, man. You gotta try to get more of them.
My friend Tim from Gizmo Motors tried to get 50 of them to modify for us, but I don't know. I guess 50 from RC&BAJA wasn't enough.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, there's a good few of us that don't have them because of that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Someone's gotta bite the bullet and get 100 of them.
Look who showed up.
Beautiful.
Look who showed up.
My boy, what up, kid? What's going on, man?
I got this for you, bro. We're gonna hit this. We got a beautiful day today.
Oh, man. We
gotta hit
gonna do our thing today.
What up, Jeff?
What's going on, boss?
What up?
Checking out
Man,
this
good to
horse.
see you, bro.
Checking out this horse out. It's a
HTIC.
crazy ass pipe.
It's
It's a crazy pipe, this. It ain't seen in that pipe, right? Yeah, he got
That's the bottle of. Good bottle, yeah. That's it. That's it. That's one here right here, bro.
What's this go?
That's a kit. It's a kit. I got a silver ceramic coated.
So this is ceramic.
That was overpriced.
This is ceramic.
I ceramic coated, yeah.
Right, that's what I know how
I'm gonna ceramic coat this. I'll bring yours.
Right.
And I gotta bring Thompson.
Right.
Few people.
So that's how it's going to look.
Yeah. That keeps the heat in. That ain't powder coat. It's ceramic coat. That's ceramic coat too. Auto 134 is moving now.
Yeah.
Bro. Holy shit.
Cooking.
Everybody need to get their car ready. So, Nick, we're gonna be calling up names to start. So 12:30, get every car ready and come to the line.
What time is it?
Do we still
No.
have the same people? Are the people that
Some
were here
of-
last week, are they here today?
Some of them is not here.
So do we have to do the brackets over? We have to assign, you did the brackets over?
Leave it the way it is. Just do the.
So if you're not here, you just disqualify.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, then we'll move that person to get a box.
All right, what about the Primal cars?
All the Primal cars are here.
Everybody with a Primal dragster is here again?
One is not here, but we have a new one.
You have one new one. Who's the new one?
That's right. He's already
Okay,
registered.
and who's not here?
It's that rooster top carburetor. It's too big for
Gary's
that
not
little
here.
engine.
Okay, what position did Gary qualify in? So you're coming at the bottom of the ladder then? Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Doing first, Primal or
Let's start the Primal 12:30. All Primal to the line. 12:30.
Yo, that, okay. That shit looks hot.
Mikey. Zah. Thank you, buddy.
Here's to a good day.
Zah. I'm getting ready. So our wives never become widows, kid. Zah, zah.
Go to jail. Stop videotaping. You have to race.
I got a race, so I can't do everything. Oh, who's up, me? I got you. Oh shit, damn.
Hold it down. Hold it down. What lane you on?
Yeah, boy! Yeah!
That's impressive, BAJA.
Job, what a job.
John, how you feeling, John? Feeling good that your wheel didn't fall off, right?
That's the first time I saw him get down the track. Oh, something did break.
Look, you won the first one. Ernie,
That is an officially new track record for a private car.
Yeah.
Been
there
busy,
we go.
but we hit
All
a
right,
good
we
news.
did it, man. Breaking records.
3.8. That's at 330 foot.
exposure.
330 foot. This is 330 foot. This ain't no 150, 200.
You got a 5.2.
5.2, yeah.
3.8.
Very nice.
First official hit.
There you go.
That's pretty good.
Very nice,
First
man.
time rookie.
World record, first ever Primal kid.
3.8.
Damn.
Wow, unbelievable.
FG guys,
They're gonna be
gonna have to
now
think
they're
twice
getting
now,
scared.
bro.
Cars running 3.8. That is FG time. So I want all of you guys out there with those FGs to know that Primal and HPIs can compete with FGs. No more excuses, guys. Look at
Any
that.
questions?
No more excuses. 3.845.
Reaction time was slow, right?
Don't matter. You don't need a reaction time when you're running 3.8s. Who else gonna run a 3.8 and beat that?
Yeah, boy. You got that, John.
Slow down, John. Slow down. Hold it down. You got lane choice. Right.
Oh, all right, right.
Kevin and Thompson. Kevin and Thompson.
I'm gonna get Thompson, all right?
Boys, rap family right here. Rap family.
You went out. I'm out. You went out.
Oh.
Yo, Kev.
Yo, Ken, you backed up that 3-8. Listen.
Three.
Keep it in mind.
Backed up that 3.8, but he lost.
3-8-9-1.
Thompson won that, baby.
Full throttle! Full throttle, Compton, kid!
Yo, let it cool down. Let it cool down.
Yo, Nick, so what was that? What happened exactly? I missed
Well,
it.
all right. Even though he went to the traps first,
Right?
Kevin fouled.
Okay.
So
How?
Thompson gets the win.
How he fouled?
Kevin hit the line. Kevin hit the line at the end of the trap.
Okay. Got it. We got it. Compton, you never know, bro.
Oh, okay.
You did 5-2 last time. You did pretty good.
You know what it is? You know what it is?
I lost that shit, man.
He was,
Ramp, bro. He's calling from all the way back here. I didn't see the whole fucking thing.
I missed it too. Supposedly he said something about it.
The line.
Out of the line, yeah.
He said, once I leave this shit,
Look who's here. One and only. Nitro Streets. What up, Big Mike? Family right here, bro.
Of course.
You know? How you been, bro? Good to see you.
Of course.
Shit, good to see you. One and only Sunoco Twist. Sunoco Twist right here. Family forever right here. Check out his channel. Family right here. Serious. Next level. That was a 3-9. I appreciate it.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. I was watching the video last night.
Oh, yeah. Bro, you gotta hang with us, bro. You gotta hang with us afterwards.
hold it down. You got lane choice. What lane you want?
I'll take the right. I don't want to crash into.
Smell like can too.
You smell it, right?
Smell like can too right there.
What was your time?
Corner down said no. Let's go.
I like my women hot too.
What happened, John?
Red light. That made me nervous.
Was it the demon?
The demon, bro. That demon, no joke.
all the truth. Look, if you look, Danny won by a whole shot. Yeah, he won by a whole shot because he left first.
Yes, Joe, what's going on, man?
What are you
What are
gonna
we
do?
pointing cameras at each
Yo,
other?
how's that?
How's it go, man? How was it?
That was good, man. It was
Yeah?
fun, bro. The demon got me.
Yeah, he got, yo, you led him.
Yeah.
The first race, I saw you led him to the last 2 feet of the track.
Whoa.
And then all of a sudden, I think I'm not sure if you let off early.
Yeah.
Because he blew past
Yeah.
you.
Well,
that was freaking awesome race, man.
Dan spanked me, bro. You got it. You
Bear,
got
no
it.
way, no way.
Look at that. This was the dual exhaust. That spanked me. How's that?